The oil life monitoring system in your 2022-2025 VW Taos uses advanced algorithms to determine oil degradation based on driving habits, mileage, and engine conditions, rather than relying solely on fixed intervals. After performing an oil change, it's crucial to reset this system to ensure accurate tracking of future maintenance needs. To access the reset function, park your Taos with the ignition on but the engine off and engage the parking brake. Use the infotainment touchscreen to navigate to Vehicle, then Settings, followed by Service and Checks, and finally, Service Intervals. This is where you will find the Reset option for the oil service. In the Service Intervals menu, select Reset for the oil service and confirm your choice when prompted. The system may ask you to enter the current mileage. If your Taos doesn't have a touchscreen, or if you encounter errors, try holding the Trip Reset button on the instrument cluster for 10 to 15 seconds until service appears. Then navigate and reset via the instrument cluster menus. After resetting, restart your vehicle to confirm that the oil life is showing 100% or has been reset to the default interval. If you experience issues, ensure you're following the steps precisely, as user error is a common cause of reset failures. For persistent problems, consult your VW owner's manual or contact a certified VW dealer, as unauthorized resets may affect your warranty.